Hey everyone, this is Dr. Alex Tubio, and I just wanted to address a question that I get all the time, and it's why out of anything did you decide to become a chiropractor? Well, that answer is very simple. It's because chiropractic worked for me. It got me out of pain, it changed my life, it changed the history of my life, but most importantly, it changed the absolute trajectory of where my life was going. I'm really a walking chiropractic story. At 22, I was suffering from unrelenting low back pain. I could barely walk, I could barely sit, I could barely even stand, let alone do anything. But the most concerning part out of any of that was the fact that I didn't know at the age of 22 if I would be able to live a normal life again, if I would have to live with this type of pain for the rest of my life. I went to every single provider possible. I was getting fed medication after medication, and I wasn't getting any better. In fact, I was actually getting worse. And I knew that I wasn't really truly getting to the root cause of the problem, but I felt that I had tried everything. So at 22, I was at my wit's end. I was depressed. I didn't know what to do. And it wasn't until my friend actually saw me and he said, you know, why don't you try this chiropractor that I've been going to? I've had some really great results in the past few weeks, and you know, what else do you have to lose, Alex? Just try them. And you know, I thought to myself, and I was like, you know what, you're right. What else do I have to lose? I'm already sitting here and I can't do anything. So, you know, even though I didn't know what they did, I didn't know what a chiropractor was, I said, let me just try it out anyways. So I did. But let me tell you, I am so glad that I did, because if I didn't see that chiropractor, I wouldn't be here today talking to you guys. I wouldn't be in this office in Houston seeing all these patients and getting all these lives changed because of chiropractic. So chiropractic is more than just a job. It's more than just a profession. To me, this is a purpose. This is a calling. It is a purpose to help people. It is a purpose to serve people. But most importantly, it is a purpose to change people's lives and change their histories just like it did mine. I want us to have the same impact that that one chiropractor had on my life, and I want to have that impact on all the people that I touch. So thank you guys so much for listening to me. If you have any questions about chiropractic or about my chiropractic story, feel free to slide into my DM, message me on Facebook or Instant Messenger. Wait, we don't have Instant Messenger. But feel free to message me wherever and I will respond to you. Until next time, guys, this is Dr. Alex Tubio. I'll see you later.